Welcome to today's episode of Jungbeop Talk. We're diving into the complex world of competition in our society and whether it's something we need to continue living with. It's a hot topic, isn't it?
Absolutely. Society has been built on competition for centuries, right? We've seen it in business, education, even in social dynamics. But with all that competition, have we really moved forward, or are we just going in circles?
That's an interesting point. I mean, the basic structure of our society has been shaped by competition, be it in the economy, technology, or innovation. But as things progress, the more intense this competition becomes, the more it feels like it's not leading us anywhere good.
Right. It's almost like we're stuck in a zigzag pattern. One side rises and another competitor knocks it down. In the end, everything fails. So, does this mean the whole competitive structure is coming to an end?
It seems like it. We've reached a point where competition isn't leading to better outcomes anymore. It's just pushing businesses to fight for scraps, leaving many to fail. The question is, how do we get out of this endless cycle?
That's the key. The answer might lie in focusing on our true potential, right? Rather than competing, we should start finding our own unique paths, doing the things we truly excel in without having to compare ourselves to others.
Exactly. And that brings us to Jungbeop, the righteous law. Jungbeop means living in harmony with the grand nature. It's about understanding that competition served a purpose for growth, but now we should shift gears.
So, in a way, we need to break free from this competitive mindset and focus more on cooperation, growth, and contribution. If everyone focuses on their own unique strengths, the need for competition fades, right?
Yes, and that's where the role of intellectuals comes in. Intellectuals are supposed to lead by example, not by competition. They should create new paradigms, new systems that benefit everyone without the need for constant rivalry.
And it's not just intellectuals. The idea is that the whole society should move past the need to compete for resources, wealth, or status. It's about doing the work that's truly necessary for the world, not for personal gain.
Exactly. Think about it. Imagine if businesses were more focused on serving the world's needs instead of outdoing each other. There wouldn't be losers. Everyone would be creating value without the destructive competition.
It would totally change the game. It's not just about survival anymore. It's about making a real contribution. The intellectuals, for instance, should step up, lead, and help guide the world with their knowledge rather than competing for titles or recognition.
And there's a deeper level to this. In our history, especially after Wu Tzu, we've absorbed so much knowledge from the world. Now it's time for us to take all that knowledge and create something truly groundbreaking, something that doesn't rely on competition.
Exactly. That's the next phase. The intellectuals have the knowledge and skills to create a new kind of society, one where competition isn't the central force anymore. Instead, it's about collaboration and creating a balanced, productive world.
And to make this shift happen, it's not just about the intellectuals. The conservatives, the ones with the wealth, need to support these intellectuals. There has to be this partnership where the wisdom of intellectuals and the resources of the wealthy work hand in hand.
So, it's all about finding the right balance. The progressives have their role too. They should focus on publishing new, authentic reports and ideas, not just rely on the old narratives.
Exactly. If everyone plays their part and we focus on creating a new paradigm, the world doesn't have to stay in this competitive loop. We can evolve into something more harmonious and productive.
And that's the future we're talking about. One where the need for competition disappears because everyone is contributing their best, not because they're trying to outdo each other.
It's an exciting thought, isn't it? A world where cooperation and personal fulfillment drive progress, not relentless competition. It's a future worth aiming for.
Definitely. And as we move into the future, we'll see more and more people stepping up, realizing their true potential, and creating a new, harmonious world. A world where the competitive society is a thing of the past.
That's a wrap for today's episode. Let's keep reflecting on how we can be part of this change and contribute to a world where competition isn't the central force anymore. Thanks for joining us today.